Assalamu alaikum. This is Sayyid Ahmed Wasim. Today I am here to present the topic which is respiratory syncytial virus. Respiratory syncytial virus (RSV) is a leading cause of severe respiratory infection in infants and children. RSV is an RNA virus whose genome encodes 10 protein, and the G protein is responsible for viral attachment to cells, while the F protein promotes syncytia formation. Respiratory syncytia virus. Most common cause of bronchiolitis and pneumonia in children. 1 year. 25 to 40% of children develop bronchiolitis or pneumonia during first RSV infection. The ratio of 31 is to 1000 under 1 year are hospitalized with RSV. 2% will die. Single-strand RNA enveloped virus belong to the genus Neovirus of the Paramesovirus family. Considerable strain variation exists, may be classified into subgroups A and B by monoclonal sera. Both subgroups circulates in the community at one time, causes a sizable epidemic each year. Highly liable virus and prominently inactivated at room temperatures. RSV causes respiratory illness in infants and young children and is the most important cause of bronchiolitis. बेसिकली ये वायरस जब हमारी बॉडी में एंटर होता है थ्रू द रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट एंड ये स्टिक होता है अटैच होता है हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी एपिथेलियम पे by the help of attachment protein which is G protein. After that, fusion protein invades this virus into our respiratory epithelium cells, and where this is a negative sense virus, so it have to convert into positive sense virus by the help of RNA polymerase L, and after that it will show their infection. In in bronchiolitis, mucus formation occurs in bronchiole formation on a bronchiole tube. Mucus formation occurs, inflammation will be happening, necrosis and loss of epithelium. Smooth muscles are tightening. एल्वोलाई में ऑक्सीजन की जो सप्लाई होती है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है तो एल्वोलाई में बी कोलैप्स so after that there are the symptoms fever typically low grade cough tachypnea basically increase in respiration by 20 breaths per minute cyanosis basically due to lack of oxygen blue color appears on skin and mucous membrane retraction wheezing rales can be life-threatening. The RS viral infection is potentially in those with or congenital heart disease, bronchopulmonary dysplasia defect, or in those who are immunodepressant or immunodeficient. RS virus has been recovered from some victim of the sudden infant death syndrome. Although it may have been contributed to death, other factors are also significantly contributed. Many factors have been associated with increased risk of acquiring RSV disease. Attending child care centers, other siblings in school, preschools or schools, exposure to environmental pollutants, that is cigarettes, smoke, multiple birth sets, especially triplets or greater, minimal breastfeeding. Diagnosis: physical examination, clinical suspicion, culture, antigen or genome detection. Chest radiography, X-ray, which is X-ray. Serology. Serological assessment using complement fixation is generally not helpful. Immunoassay for G and F protein may offer more reliable serological tests. In adult where other options are limited. Treatment. A supportive management with tube feeding in cases of difficulty in sucking. Use of oxygen if indicated. Ribavirin is a specific antiviral drug proved to effective when given as a particle aerosol, although it is apparently not effective intravenous. एरोसोल के थ्रू इफेक्टिव होती है मे बी लाइक नेबुलाइजर के थ्रू और इंट्रावेनस नॉट इफेक्टिव होती है ये सपोर्टिंग ट्रीटमेंट में है मोस्ट सिम्टोमेटिक salbutamol MDI drug of choice also use epinephrine ipratropium bromide, and oral steroids only if hospitalized. These drugs are also used uh, in nebulizer. Vaccine failures. A formalin inactivated crude whole virus vaccine was tried in 1960 but failed to produce immunity in the recipients. The difficulties in preparing safe vaccines for RSV lie with young and immunologically immature recipients. So, okay, there is a case study. A 6-month-old infant is seen in the emergency room for wheezing. His breathing has become increasingly difficult over the past 2-3 days. He has also had a worsening cough, subjective fever, and rhinitis. Today, his parents took him to the pediatrician office, where his oxygen saturation was over 80% on room temperature. He was sent immediately from the clinic to the emergency room where he was given supplemental oxygen on physical exam. He has increased work of breath with nasal flaring, grunting, and intercostal retraction. He also has bilateral wheezes. His parents are concerned on the possibility of further intervention of his oxygen saturation does not improve. These are the categorized symptoms of these case studies: bilateral wheezing, worsening cough, subjective fever, rhinitis, uh, which helps in diagnosis. And the diagnoses are bronchiolitis by respiratory sensational virus, treatment, supportive care, IV fluids, supplemental oxygen, nasal sanctioning. Whereas antiviral is not too much effective in this case. So we are treated it with supportive care. Prevention में bronchodilator salbutamol, which is a beta 2 agonist, we will use it. So thank you.